Yep, we're in. Just do a sound check. teams making their way out onto the park here. Coverage kind of brought to you by Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. Hicks Bay currently sitting in 5th place. Up against TVC, who currently sit in 2nd place. Hicks Bay needing at least 2 points today or a win to get into the top 4 and to push Hikurangi out of the top 4. Just waiting for the teams to come onto the park. Aloha mai whānau. We didn't get any team sheets. Too busy trying to sort out the live on the new channel. Forgot about our team sheets, but we'll do our best to bring you those names. Of course, Wharekahika, as I said, sitting in 5th place. There's a karakia taking place. See if I can find one of these chairman managers. Bit of a karakia happening over the trophy. Down at the moment, just blessing this new trophy that's going to be played for by these two clubs from now on. Of course, he mihi hoki ki te whānau Winston, whānau Waititi. I tēnei wā kei te nōta rātou, mo tētahi tangihanga. So not far from getting underway here, whānau referee today, Mr. Harawira Matahiki. There it is. The Winston Waititi Memorial Trophy. Got some team sheets coming.
I have 2 books.
Can't wait. About to get underway here, whānau. Got one team sheet, Dylan Biddle, Henare Brooking, Kalani, Tiki Tiki Hokamo in the front row for Hicks Bay. Weihana Dalami and Frank Taiapa will be wearing number 5 and 6. Te Hewa Ruha, Paul Mulaney, the Lucy's, Makairi Bell at halfback, Te Rangi Fraser, Rangi Te Kani, Whitu King Tofa, Whaimotu Craft Chemist, Waikura Dalamia, and Irie Nono. Oh, SD card full. Okay, we can stop recording on that one, but still allow us to have a look at the footage. Here we go. About to get underway here. Referee Harawira Matahiki is having a last word with the TVC captain. Not far away from kickoff here. They're looking for a ball. One that's not flat. It'll help if the ball is pumped up. These guys won't want to play with a flat ball. Here we go. There's one down at the TVC end of the park. Oh, there's 2 balls on the paddock now. Looks like Te Rangi Fraser about to get us underway here at Kuramana Māori o Whangaparaoa. Fraser will be kicking from right to left as you look at the screen. Underway here. Taken there by Ford for TVC. Brings it back towards this 10-metre line. It's there for the halfback puts a little chip down. It's gone straight to Fraser. He lets it bounce. He gets a good bounce. He's going to look for the space here. He sends it back to Bartlett. Bartlett inside his 22. Bartlett brings it out on this near side of touch. Line out here, just inside TVC's 10-metre line. Short line out called. Oh, sorry, it's Hicks Bay ball. They go high. It's not straight. It's come down on the TVC side. Play on, says the referee. Who's got the ball here? TVC come up with it by the looks of things. Back now to one of the forwards who brings it to the 10-metre line. They work it forward through Delamere. Delamere out through the backs now to Timuana. They come back to Delamere on this near side. Working up towards the halfway now. Cute. Got a team sheet here for TVC. As TVC driving it forward, they've still got control here. It spills out the back to Haidawa. Haidawa puts the boot to it, sends it downfield. Deep down into Hicks Bay territory. They send it back upfield though. It's one of the young fullback there. I think that's Tawada Milosevic who brings it forward. Milan Milosevic. Shy of the halfway inside the 10 though. Bartlett gives it up to Timuana who does well to hang on to that as he goes to ground. Bartlett, long pass out wide to I think that's Shelford. Shelford pushes off one. Goes to ground, might have been high, says the referee. There's advantage being played here. As Delamere drags it up over the halfway, over the 10-metre line goes Hidimini Delamere now. Referee come back, no advantage. And bring it back for a penalty. Penalty here, just inside TVC's territory. They'll push play down the sideline. Line out coming, right on Hicks Bay's 10-metre line. Short line out called here by TVC. They take their time. They're walking in slowly now. They go high to Sterling at the front. Out through the back line they go. There's a cut. They've lost it forward though. The referee will say no advantage here for Hicks Bay. Scrum down a couple of metres inside Hicks Bay's territory. About 5 metres inside their own territory here. They'll get the put into the scrum. Midfield scrum. Both these teams wanting to get this game today to claim that new trophy. Ball in. It's at the back here for Hicks Bay as they go through the hands. Out now wide to the back line. Oh, and a bit of space here. Couple of wingers their way. They've got space on the inside. Hicks Bay racing away. Will they get there? It's Te Rangi Fraser who'll go in for the first try here. What a great team try that was from well back over the halfway here. See if the replay picks it up here for you. Out of the back of the scrum. Long pass from Fraser out wide. I think that was Craft Chemist. And then just backing up as they went down the middle. Oh, that replay is on quite fast speed. We don't want that. We just want it going normally. But Fraser, first points on the board here. He'll attempt the first conversion of the game here. Oh, we didn't start our time either. We're a bit behind time. We're probably about 5 minutes behind time. So Hicks Bay take the lead 7-0. Looking to try and get themselves into the semi-finals here. TVC bring them back to halfway for the restart. 7-0. Don't worry about our time finding. We're a couple of minutes behind. TVC to get us back underway again. 7-0, Hicks Bay lead. Just waiting for the ball to come back now. Get us started again. Couple of minutes gone. Hicks Bay lead 7 points to 0. But Hideaway gets us back underway. Sends it high and deep. Player taken in the air. I think referee is playing advantage here. Hicks Bay have got control. No advantage. They'll come back for a penalty. High tackle, taking the player in the ear. Fraser's not mucking around here. Sends play up past the halfway from that penalty. 7-0 if you've just joined us. Line out coming for Hicks Bay. Just inside TVC's 10-metre line. It's King Tofa throwing the ball in. Uramu. Early jump there as Taipa brings it down. They send it out to Fraser. Fraser juggles it, steps back infield. Does Fraser loses the ball forward? Referee will say no advantage. They'll go back for the early jump. Early jump in the line out. Free kick here for Hicks Bay. They can't kick it out on the full here. They'll call a scrum. Scrum just inside TVC's 10-metre line. Scrum down. Referee calls them in. That's Bell feeds the scrum. It's gone to ground. They'll have this again. Early stages of this game, Hicks Bay lead 7-0. Converted try after a good break from the back line. Referee calls them back in the game. Ball in. Bell puts the ball in. It's at the back. Big shunt here from TVC. They might have turned it over. They have. They spin it out wide here. TVC numbers going down that blind side. They work it back. It's still there for them outside the 22. Ball goes to ground. It's there for Haidawa. Haidawa spins it out wide. Defence gets across on them though. They cut back infield. TVC still got the ball here. Penalty here. Penalty to TVC. They're just outside Hicks Bay's 22. Haidawa will look for touch down this near sideline. Takes play into the 22. Attacking line out coming here for TVC. As you can see on the drone cam there, they're about 15 metres out from Hicks Bay's corner flag. Shelford with the throw. They go high to the front to Sterling. It's knocked down. It's been picked up here by Taiapa. Hicks Bay come out of their 22 with the ball here. Referee's got a penalty, not releasing against TVC. Just outside the 22. This will allow Hicks Bay to look for touch here. Rangi Fraser will look for touch down this near sideline. Brings play up towards the halfway. Just inside Hicks Bay's side of the halfway mark. Be a Hicks Bay throw. King Topher with the throw. Short line out called by Hicks Bay. They go, they're moving around now. They go to the front to tie up a trick play. Might have been pushed out here. It'll be a TVC line out throw. No, not straight I think is the call. They've gone back to where the line out was. It'll be a TVC scrum feed. Right down on the halfway line. It's Keelan to feed the scrum. Moana Keelan for TVC. They send it out the back to Bartlett. Across to Hairoa. Out now to the winger who does well to hang on to that. Taken down just shy of the the 10-metre line. So TVC take it past the 10-metre line now. It's there for Keelan again. They spin it out to the big boy standing in the midfield. Delamere standing at first receiver. Referee's got a penalty. Using the shoulder, I think. No rep. No rep. Hairoa will look for touch across on there. Beautiful day here in Whangaparaoa as Hairoa sends play into the 22. Attacking line out coming here for TVC. They're about 6 metres inside Hicks Bay's 22, across on their far side of the field. Short line out called by TVC. They go high to Sterling. Referee says not straight. It'll be a Hicks Bay scrum feed. Inside their 22 here. This will allow them to look for touch. Defensive scrum feed here for Hicks Bay. Good crowd here today. Not as big as I anticipate. Of course, there's lots happening. You've got the investiture at Whakaruga. Referee not happy with it. They'll break up and have it again. Scrum about 7 metres inside Hicks Bay's 22. Bell, Makaire Bell to feed the scrum. It's at the back here, big shunt from TVC, plucks it out, he gives it to Fraser, who looks safely for touch. Sends it back over the halfway. Just watching TVC to see if they go early. Line out coming, just inside TVC's half. Cross on that far side of the field. Hicks Bay, TVC line out throw. They call a short one again. 5-man line out. Shelford with the throw. Oh, that's Delamere, I think, throwing. It's been stolen here by Hicks Bay, though, as they drag it over the TVC 10-metre line. It's there for Bell. They spin it out wide here. Hicks Bay come down this near sideline into the 22 on this near side of the field. Referee's got a penalty against TVC off their feet at the breakdown. Oh, our drone cam is going to disappear from us, so we'll stay on our main camera. Going to come in here so I can change the battery. Attacking line out coming for Hicks Bay though. Oh, penalties. They're taking a shot at goal, sorry. Te Rangi Fraser will line up a penalty. He's about 7 or 8 meters in from touch. He's Te Rangi Fraser lining up a kick here. He steps back, he comes in, he strikes it. Does he pull it around? Oh, just outside the post, I think. Stayed outside, didn't swing back in time. He had the hook on it, but wasn't able to bring it right around. It'll be a 22 line dropout. TVC to get us underway here. Benny Highwell with the kicking duties. He sends it to this near side. Well, sends it right down the middle. Te Rangi Fraser gets a bounce, brings it over the halfway. Fraser stepping up the middle. Fraser in space. Will he go all the way? He's got a winger with him. He's got a centre, I should say. Hicks Bay. Dangerous. The back, I think that was Whaimutu Craft Chemist. Let's take a look at the replay here. Oh, we're not going to catch it, are we? Replay is not picking up. Oh, yes, it was. Let's try it again. It was taking it from the drop kick. Oh, we only catch the end of the pass there. That's Whaimutu Craft Chemist. With another 5-pointer for Hicks Bay, they'll extend their lead here. 12-0, off to the start they wanted. Te Rangi Fraser looking to convert this one. Fraser. Oh, let's get out of the replay here. He's lining this one up from a couple of meters outside the 22. Eggs have gone up there. 14-0. Wharekahika lead. Wharekahika lead TVC. TVC will come back to get us underway again. 14-0. Benny Hidewa. TVC need the stay in second place to ensure they get a home semi next week. Hicks Bay off to the start. They want to try and jump into the semis. High kick down the back of the park here. It's taken in by Hicks Bay. Might have been turned over here by TVC. They have. Comes back to one of the forwards. They work it just outside the 22 by about 5 meters, cross on their far side of the field. I think that's Muttle playing halfback. They pick and go. Not supporting the body weight is the call. Penalty here just outside the 22 for TVC. What do? They're going to tap and go. They give it to Delamere, the big man. Into the 22 they go. Pops out now and they send it out wide. They keep it coming down this near side. Bartlett sends it back across the field. In the middle of the park here. It's there for TVC still. They look to send it out wide. Delamere standing out there. Oh, they break away. Oh, TVC will get their first points here. Just waiting to watch the referee here. There's the try that's given. TVC on the board after some good teamwork there. You see them had numbers out wide from that ruck. Quick ball from the base of the ruck here. They spin it out and just numbers out there. Delamere gets the offload. They work it away for their first try here. Pass almost dropped, did well to hang on to that. 14-5 with the kick to come. High kick, unsuccessful. TVC come back, get us underway again. 12-5. If you've just joined us here at the Kuramana Māori o Whangaparaoa, between second place and fifth place on the table. They'll have another kick here. Not sure what happened there, but the referee suggests another kick. Hicks Bay, Fraser, get us back underway again. Fraser sends it down deep. They work it out through Sterling out of the 22. Get back on the other camera, Porter. TVC work it up midway 10 metre 22 now. It's kicked from the base of the ruck here. Bounces back deep inside Hicks Bay territory. Fraser picks it up on the bounce. I think that's Fraser. TVC up quickly though. Looking to try and turn this over. Counter ruck here. It's there at the back for Hicks Bay though. Throw the dummy and take it in themselves off the base of the ruck there. This is the guy with the pink headgear. Referee's got a penalty against TVC. Not releasing the tackle player, I believe is the call. This will allow Hicks Bay to look for touch. Fraser will look to put them down that far end of the field. Sends it into the 22 just out. No, it's gone dead. It's gone dead here. They'll come back for a scrum. All the way back where that was kicked from. Little mistake there by Fraser. It'll be a TVC scrum just inside Hicks Bay territory, across on their far side of the field. (14-5) if you've just joined us here at Kuramana Māori. Coverage kindly brought to you by Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. Referee calls them in. He wants to set a scrum here. Couple of early converted tries to Hicks Bay, but TVC answered back with a good team try. Ball in by Keelan. Big shunt from Hicks Bay this time as Te Moana takes it off the back. He's got a player with him. Gets a couple of metres going forward. It's there again for the forwards. Oh, it's gone backwards, says the referee, as Sterling brings it forward. Picks up the mess. It goes back to Te Moana. He drags it over the Hicks Bay 10 metre line. They come back to this near side. Defence holding for Hicks Bay. They go back to the open now to Delamere. Just one off the ruck here from TVC. They go out wide this time, looking to try and put a run away. Nice ball there. Up towards the 22 now. Go Hicks Bay. TVC. Penalty against Hicks Bay, I think. Not supporting the body weight again. They tap it and go quickly. Does TVC, looking to try and catch them offside. Referee's got advantage here for TVC. Penalty here inside the 22. They go quickly. They tap it. They give it up to Delamere. Delamere. 10 out from the line here. It's at the base of the ruck. They come back to Te Moana. Defence is up to it on Te Moana. They set it up again. About 8 out from Hicks Bay's line. They look to get the forwards driving it forward here. It's at the base of the ruck again. They pick and go, one off. 4 away from the line now. TVC still have it at the base of the ruck here. Hicks Bay defence holding. Now they drive. TVC trying to get it down here. They drive again. What's the referee say here? Whistle's gone here. There's a bit of pushing and shoving going on. I'm going to take a look at the replay while the ref is having a look at that. You can see the ball at the back here. They pick and go. Can they get it down? Still a bit of, must be a bit of whakapapa going on over there. A bit of kōrero about the whakapapa behind the post. Referee, I haven't seen a decision yet. What is the call? He wants to speak to the captains. And Mo Mato was out. Frank Taiapa for Hicks Bay. There's a big discussion going on down here. Hicks Bay lead 14-5. Penalty here to TVC by the looks of things on the 10-metre line. They're going to tap and go, I think. Expect the tap and go here from Hicks Bay, from TVC. 5 out from the line. This discussion is still going on here. We might have restart here shortly. It will start with a penalty for TVC. Still a bit of kōrero going on. Now we've got a play on, referee, and they tap and go. Driving at the line. What's the referee say? Try, given. TVC fight their way back into this game. 14-10 with a kick to come. Pick up the replay here. You can see, I think that's Delamere with the ball. Big drive at the line. He's a big unit. Unable to stop him. In with the kick to come. Successful conversion there. 14-12. 14-12 here at Te Kuramana Māori o Whangaparaoa is TVC. Score a try to get back into this game. It'll be Hicks Bay to come back and get us underway here. Beautiful day here at Wharika at Whangaparaoa, starting to sweat. Te Rangi Fraser looking to get us underway again. Fraser waiting for a ball, I think. We've about 27 or 28 minutes gone. We started our watch a little bit late. I've got a ball now coming back onto the park. Fraser, get us underway now. Referee signals time back on. Fraser sends it high. They let it bounce. Oh no, they take it just inside the 22. And push out of the 22 now does TVC. It's at the back here as they work it down this near sideline. Shelford throws the flick back infield. Referee says pass has gone forward. It'll be a Hicks Bay scrum feed. About 10 metres outside TVC's 10 metre line, roughly midway, 10 metre 22. Bell will feed the scrum. Scrum down, ball in. It's at the back here for Bell. Sends it out to Fraser. Fraser sends it wide out to Craft Chemist. Craft Chemist goes for a run, gets the pass away. Out to Delamere, I believe that is. It might have been turned over here as Bartlett comes away with it, throws the pass back infield. TVC put a kick through. They chase it down the field here. Hicks Bay back by their 22. Put the boot to it. It's gone out on the full though. It'll be a TVC line out just outside Hicks Bay's 22. This one here about 4 or 5 metres out, give or take a couple. As we count toward what must be coming up to 30 minutes gone. So we started our watch a bit late. Line out here for TVC. Delamere with the throw. It's over the top though, and Hicks Bay will come up with it. Hicks Bay working it back towards the 10 metre line here as it goes back to Fraser. He puts the boot to it. See it bounces end over end back into the TVC 22 here. It's Bartlett. Oh, he went for a run. He gets the pass away to Milosevic. Milosevic, he slips. Hicks Bay up quickly. It's still there for TVC though. They put the boot to it. Bounces back to Fraser on his 10 metre line. Fraser comes back down this near side. Gets around, puts a little chip through. Might have been taken after the kick there. Play on, says the referee, as Haidawa will look for touch here. It's not going to find touch. It's gone backwards. As Takani puts it forward. Oh, it's play on, says the referee. It's been towed ahead here. It's gone to Milosevic in the 22. Milosevic, he's offside is the call against Hicks Bay though. Players in front of the kicker not retreating. Penalty here. Roughly midway, 10 metre 22. Haidawa will look for touch here. Safely into touch. Takes play about 7 metres inside TVC territory. So wait for a ball here. No ball, no play. Oh, it's a substitution as well. Try and get a name for that substitution player that's come on for Hicks Bay. Short line out called here by TVC. They go to the front. It's taken down by Sterling. Out to Bartlett. Bartlett on the cut with Te Moana. Te Moana sets it up in the midfield, about 12 metres inside Hicks Bay territory. Advantage here from the referee as it comes out to Delamere. He steps out of one tackle. Does Hikurangi Delamere. Driven backwards, but the ref will say no advantage here. They go back to a penalty. 12 metres inside Hicks Bay territory. 2 points in it, 14-12. This will allow Hairoa to look for touch here. He takes play into the 22. No, he doesn't find touch. It's kicked downfield here. Bounces back towards TVC's 22. Retreating player slips. That's Bartlett back there. Bartlett gets it. Goes for a little run. There's a few Hicks Bay jerseys. Still going. Gets taken midway 10 metre 22. They spin it open. Te Moana lets it go. They send it out wide now. Forward standing out in the back line. Referee's got penalty against TVC. Off their feet, I think. Hicks Bay tap and go quickly. Still going here. Into the 22. Caught TVC offside. Not 10, I think, is the call. They'll come back for another penalty here. This one just outside the 22 in kickable position. What does Fraser say? Scrum call. Scrum. Attacking scrum here for Hicks Bay. They're about 5 or 6, maybe 5 metres outside TVC's 22. Across on their far side of the field. They're 15 metres in from touch. Good attacking opportunity if they can get clean ball here. Referee calls them in. Not happy with the set, they'll have it again. Having a word to the front row there. Whew. Gone from one extreme to the other where it was really, really cold at Rangitukia last week. It's really, really hot here at Whangaparaoa today. Referee calls them in. Makaere Bell to feed the scrum. Taiapa's at the back here. Messy scrum though for Hicks Bay. It's there for Bell. It's penalty here for TVC. Scrum penalty. This will allow Hairoa to look for touch. He'll kick for touch on their far side of the field. Substitution here for TVC. Number 22 is out there. Oh, I don't have a number 22, sorry. I have a number 21. As Hairoa sends it down the field. Players in front of the kicker. Oh, coach killer. They'll come back for scrum. Hicks Bay ball. Chasing young fellows in front of the ball. That's the young fellow that just got on the park, I think. The one I don't have a name for. They'll give the ball away here. Hicks Bay scrum feed. Attacking scrum coming here for Hicks Bay. They get another shot at it after giving away a penalty at scrum time. Bit of a kōrero going down in the middle of the park here. Referee calls them in. Attacking scrum feed here for Hicks Bay. Bell, ball in. They want to get it out quickly. Oh, it's gone on the TVC side. No, they'll have it again, I think. Referee will say it's pretty messy. They'll have it again. Hicks Bay will be trying to get it in and out quickly. TVC having the upper hand in these early scrum exchanges. This one here, same place. It hasn't moved. We're just outside the 22 by about 6 metres. Referee will call them in again. Ball in. Bell puts it in. He plucks it out quickly to Fraser. Fraser looking for runners. Cuts with Craft Chemist. He takes it. The referee's got advantage here. offside against Hicks Bay. Against TVC. As Hicks Bay look to go quickly, the referee will say no. We'll have that again. You can see on the drone cam here, they're about 4 meters, 5 meters outside the 22. Shot call, I think. Fraser will line up a shot again here, looking to extend their lead. Currently 14-12. Te Rangi Fraser lining one up. It's roughly, as I said, 5 or 6 outside the 22. He comes in, strikes. Flags stay down. That's half time here at Te Kuramana Māori o Whangaparaoa. We'll cross to the studio if the studio is taking our feed, and we'll be back with your second half shortly. No mai hoki mai e te iwi. Welcome back to your second half, kindly brought to you by Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. This round, what are we, round 9? Oh we. Oh we. Just as we say that, our drone needs to hoki mai ki te kāinga. Let's get back to our other camera. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course, Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou, kindly keeping connected. And we're about to get into this second half very shortly with a huge outcome at stake at the end of this. Hicks Bay looking to try and sneak into the top 4. TVC trying to lock in a home semi. Of course, TVC currently in second place. Referee Harawira Matahiki will get us underway very shortly. The second half kindly brought to you by Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. Again, this is a bit of a problem here because we've got no ball. We need a ball to be able to play. So just waiting for a ball to come.
Home point updated. Takeoff.
They're not far away from kickoff, but they can't kick off if they don't have a ball. Seems to be a bit of a problem here. Need a ball. Not far away from a restart here. Beautiful day here at Te Kuramana Māori o Whangapara. Oh no, hang on, that ball is flat. They've been asked to pump it up again, so let's try and find a pumped up ball here. Ngati Porou, Ngati Kemu. So you can see here on the sideline these young fellas vigorously going at it, trying to pump the ball up so that they can get the game underway. Might pass the test here. I think it has passed the test. Benny Hyder was strolling out with the ball. Looking to get us underway here. Referee signals time on the second half. It's been knocked back on the Hicks Bay side. They pick it up through Brooking. I think the referee is playing advantage here to Hicks Bay. It's there for Bell. Bell gives it out to Fraser. Fraser, they send it wide. They show the dummy here. Now they send it out wide. A little bit of space here. Hicks Bay up to the halfway. They take it into contact here. Looking for quick ball. It's there again as they, oh, it's gone backwards. Tidied up here by one of the forwards though. Hicks Bay have it just inside TVC territory. Might have been turned over. What's the referee say? No, it pops out on the Hicks Bay side. One of the forwards takes it into contact. They set it up on the halfway. Bell gets it out to Fraser. Fraser goes for a run. Tries the left foot here. Players in front of the kicker, I think. Referee is penalised Hicks Bay here, offside in front of the kicker. This will allow TVC to get on the attack early as Haidawa will look for touch. You watch the touchy here, flag going up about 5-6 metres outside the 22. Attacking line out coming here for TVC. 14-12 if you've just joined us on Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. Sorry, I don't have any results from around the Rohe for you. Delamere with the line out throw. TVC short line out. That's gone right over the top here. Tidied up at the back by Hicks Bay. So they work it forward here. Out now to Fraser. Fraser throws the dummy. Gets away from one. Gets the pass out. They keep spinning it wide here as Kraft Kimmer sends it down the park. It's Bartlett. Young Bartlett back near his 22. Midway 10 metre 22 I should say. Hicks Bay up on him quickly. It's there for TVC. They get a penalty. Penalty here. They're about 14 metres in their own territory. Haidawa will look for touchdown this near side of the park. We'll swing on to ball watching mode so that the ball doesn't smash our vehicle or our gear. Benny Haidawa lining up a touch finder here. Sends it safely over the top of our vehicle, thankfully. Line out coming for TVC, this one here. About 4 metres inside Hicks Bay territory. Attacking line out. Again, they come in slowly. Sterling at the front, it's been tidied up by Hicks Bay again. They get it back to Fraser. Fraser sends it wide. Bit of space out wide there, but they cut back infield. Still going here is one of the backs for Hicks Bay. They might have broken free here. They do. The defence just hangs on. A little bit of an ankle tap. Hicks Bay about 12 metres inside TVC territory now. Referee's going back. No advantage for something. Must be a penalty. Penalty back on the halfway. Near the halfway, I should say. Just inside TVC territory. Te Rangi Fraser will look for touch. You know, he taps it and goes. Fraser. Trick play here. TVC, they turned it over though. No, it's still there for Hicks Bay. They come back open. Defence up quickly on Brooking. They set it up here. 8 metres inside TVC territory. They go out to their far side to Taiapa. It's still there for Hicks Bay. TVC looking for the counter ruck here. Referee's got blown the whistle. What's happening here? Penalty. Illegal entry into the ruck. I think they tap and go quickly. Does TVC. Out to Te Moana. Te Moana still pushing off tackles here. They get it a pass away. Inside Hicks Bay territory now. They go back open. They set it up just past the Hicks Bay 10 metre line. It's there at the back for Bell. Oh, sorry, not Bell, for Keelan. They come open. Mato gets it away to Delamere. Delamere, they're around his ankles. They hang on. They go back open. It's bounced kindly for Te Moana. Oh, he gets a nice pass away. TVC working it up to the 22 now. Keelan gets in there again as they come down this near side through Haidawa. Haidawa. Delamere, he gets the ball away. Delamere pushes one off. Into the 22 they go. Referee's got a penalty. Isolated there. Unlucky for TVC. Building momentum down into the 22. Hicks Bay tap and go. They send it out wide. Still playing the ball here. Out of the 22 they go. They've got an overlap. Oh, they cut back infield. They throw it back infield. It's been tapped back by TVC, but Hicks Bay tidy it up. Still going here is that's Taiapa down that far sideline. He gets taken out over the sideline up in TVC territory. Cross on that far side of the field there. It'll be a TVC line out when we get back underway. Still 14-12 here. Lot riding for both these teams. Hicks Bay, they want a place in the semis. TVC, they want a home semi. Referee, blowing this up. Let's have a talk here by the looks of things. Let's go in for a closer look. Bit of a chat going on here. I think that's what's happening here. It's still going to be a line out when we get back underway, I think. Referee just having a chat there to both teams. You can see the line out about 7 metres inside TVC's territory. Across on that far side, they go high to Sterling, taps it down. They work it up over the 10-metre line. That's TVC's 10-metre line, I should say. They come again up to to Te Moana. Te Moana gets the pass away. About 6 shy of the halfway here. They go back infield to Mato. Mato gives it off to Delamere. Defence holds on him. 5 shy of the halfway. Keelan comes back to the near side to, I think is that Waititi that's out there? It's still there for Keelan. They go back open to Mato. Mato, I think that's Nyman out there as well. Referee's got a penalty here against TVC. Against Hicks. They'll come back for the penalty. About 4 metres on TVC side of halfway. Hideaway will look for touch. Takes play deep into the 22. Well, just inside the 22, I should say. We watch for the line out. Just inside the 22, Hicks Bay's 22. Attacking line out coming for TVC. They go high to the middle, down to Keelan. Referee says not straight though. They'll come back for a scrum. It'll be a Hicks Bay scrum feed. Coming up to 10 minutes gone in the second half. Kindly brought to you by Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. Got a 2-point ball game. Live ladder at the moment. Has Hicks Bay, if they stay like this, they'll jump into the top 4. If TVC can pick up a win though, that'll kick Hicks Bay out of the top 5. Well, they'll stay in 5th. Got a player down injured here. Stoppage in time. It's one of the TVC players. I think that's the number 1. That's Blackmore. He's back to his feet though. Waititi is out there. I think Vaka is out there as well for TVC. About to get back underway. Scrum 15 metres in, couple of metres inside Hicks Bay's 22. Watch for the big shunt from TVC. Bell to feed the scrum. It's gone down straight away though. Referee will blow it up. They'll reset. Lots of different outcomes pending the results today. Second, third and fourth places could get flipped around pending the results. Hicks Bay currently in 5th, trying to get into their top 4. Bell feeds the scrum. Big shunt there from TVC. They come blind though to Fraser. It's gone behind him. Picked up. Knock on though. As TVC's look to race away with it. Sorry. They'll come back. I was too busy watching the game finally. Sorry, I forgot to switch you off the drone. They'll come back for a Knock on. The lucky break there for Hicks Bay as their pass went behind Fraser. The TVC player unable to pick it up there, just knocking it on, otherwise he was gone. Scrum down, Hicks Bay scrum feed. It's about 6 meters inside. Hicks Bay's 22, 5 or 6. They're 5 meters in from this near side of touch on the school side of the field here at Te Runanganui or Whangaparaoa. Bell, ball in, another big shot. Get it out quickly to Fraser. Fraser puts a little chip in. It forward here. They might have put the player out of the way, I think, to get to the ball. Referee's got a penalty to TVC. TVC penalty just outside the 22 here. Do they kick for goal? Do they go for touch? I think they're going to go for touch here. Haida was looking at the side. He's looking at his captain. They're going to go for a line out here. No, they've changed their mind and they're going to go for a shot. You can see on the drone footage here, if you're lucky enough to be watching our YouTube, he's in a pretty kickable position. He's about 5 out from the 22. He's 15 meters in from this near side of touch. Looking to try and put his team in the front here. By 1. And he's successful. TVC take the lead, 15-14. So TVC, after trailing for most of the game, take the lead. After about 13 minutes in the second half, kindly brought to you by Te Runanganui or Ngati Porou. It'll be Fraser to get us back underway again. That little chip kick. Just got gave away a penalty here as they send it deep down into the TVC near the 22. Counter ruck here, but the referee's got a penalty against Hicks Bay. Penalty here just outside TVC's 22, about 6 meters in, 7 meters in from the touchline. They'll look for touch here. Haida up. Get them out of their red zone. Haida slams it up towards the halfway. Takes play up to Hicks Bay's 10-meter line. TVC line out throw coming. Line out called by TVC. It's been one of their go-tos. They go high to way to the front, I think. Spin out to Bartlett looking for runners. That was Nyman. Nyman takes it into contact. They work it back out again to Haimona Waititi. He drags it midway, 10 meter 22. TVC go out to the far side to Delamere. 4 outside the 22 now. Delamere drags it into the 22. TVC, they come back open now. They set it up right out in front of the post. They come back to Bartlett. Bartlett has a go. TVC send it back infield to Haida. Haida putting a little chip through. The chase is on here. Everybody racing for the ball. What's the referee say? Could be a dropout here. Line dropout is the call. We'll have to restart from their own line here. Fraser. Oh, TVC though, referee. Cheer. They come back open. Advantage. Oh, there's a penalty given, is there? Penalty against TVC. Just having a look here to 7. He'll come back for a Hicks. Allow them to get it out of the red zone. He's a downfield. Watch for the touchy. The touchy is outside 10-meter line by about 5 meters. Throat. Just shy of the 10-meter line. Is that a substitute? Yeah. I think that's Aaron Reedy out there. Facing, I think that's King Tofa. About to get back underway. They go high, it's tapped down. Oh, that's Tiki Tiki Okama who's come off as TVC. Comes through on the Hicks Bay player. It's the call here, penalty obstruction, I think, pushing without the ball against TVC. Frank Taiapa with the ball. Referee shows them the mark. Fraser's going to look for touch here. Fraser sends it up towards the halfway. Hicks Bay line out 5 shy of the halfway on their far side of the field. 15-14, TVC lead by 1 point. Is that number 3? Is that Dylan Biddle coming on for Hicks Bay? Oh no, that's Ricky Whitehall wearing number 3. He's swapping with number 16, who was, I don't have a name for number 16 on the Hicks Bay bench. So line out here. Hicks Bay ball. It's Wiramu King Tofa with the throw. They go high to, that was now to Fraser. Fraser gets the kick up. Ball coming down. It's bounced back on the Hicks Bay side. Picked up here by one of the Hicks Bay forwards. No, TVC come up with it, sorry. TVC just outside their 10-meter. Delamere working it up to the halfway. Hedini Delamere over the halfway they go. They pluck it out. They come out to Bartlett. Bartlett puts the kick through. Chasing back towards the 22. It's there for Fraser. Fraser gets away. I think that's Fraser. They work it out. Out of their 22 here. There's advantage here for Hicks Bay though. Player off their feet from TVC. This will allow Hicks Bay to get out of the red zone. Might be a bit of back chat here. Referee has marched TVC up to the 10-meter line. This will allow Hicks Bay to put it into attacking zone if they can put it successfully into touch here. Captain having a word to the referee, but Fraser, he's not going to find touch here. Play on. So it goes infield. Heidewa with the ball. He'll look for touch here across on their far side of the field. I think he's found it. Just outside the, just inside TVC's 10-meter line. Hicks Bay will get the line out throw though. Into the last half. Audio issues, have we? I'm not sure. Just check our feed. Have we got audio issues? Apologies if we're picking up audio issues because I can't see where the issue is. The ball goes in. It's at the back for Keelan. He gives it out now to Bartlett. Bartlett to Te Moana. Te Moana up to Nyman. Nyman takes it forward. Referee playing advantage here. It's TVC working towards the halfway. Referee's going to say no advantage. He's going to come back for a free kick here. He wants to have a word to the captain. This one here, about 4 meters inside TVC territory on their side of halfway. This will allow them to look for touch here. They'll kick it down this near side of the park. Referee having a cordial with a couple of Hicks Bay players. They'll come back to get us back underway though. Hopefully our audio issues are fixed. Haidawa looks for touch. It's not out. Still in here as it's cleared down the sideline. It's not going to find touch. Bartlett back by his 22. Brings it over the 10-meter line. Bartlett puts it high. Ricky Waitoa tracking back for this one. Takes it cleanly. Calls for the mark, does he? Calls for the mark. Back inside the 22 here. Waitoa with the ball. He'll look for touch, I think. They tap it and go. Fraser, they spin it wide out to the far side here. A little knock on. Offside against TVC though. Not back 10, I think. So this will be a penalty. Back on the 22 here. For Hicks Bay. They'll be trying to get down the other end here. They need a score to try and get themselves into the top 4. Te Rangi Fraser with the ball. He taps it. He's going to put it high in the air. It's coming down on the other side of the field. They let it bounce. It bounces over the sideline. It's gone out on the full, has it? It's gone out on the full. They'll come back for a TVC line-out throw. Back near the 22. Right on the 22, I should say. TVC swing on to attack here. An attacking line-out coming. Short line-out called. Mohi Shelford with the throw. They go high. They send it infield. It's bounced up kindly there for, I think that's Nyman. Kick shrew by Hicks Bay. It's popped out the back. Referee playing advantage here, I think, to TVC. No advantage. They'll go back for a penalty here outside the 22. Another kickable opportunity here for Haidawa. It's about 3 meters outside the 22. Shot called. Looking to extend TVC's lead with a penalty. This one here, as I said, about 3 or 4 meters outside Hicks Bay's 22. He's more or less right out in front. There's no wind here to speak of.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds. Return to home.
That's us. We'll have to sit on our other camera now. Our drone is out of kakais. Unsuccessful with the conversion there. Score remains 15-14, only 1 point in it. Hicks Bay will get us back underway with a 22 restart. Substitution for Hicks Bay. I think it's Bell who's gone off. replaced by the evergreen Tyrone Delamere. As Fraser sends it down towards the halfway, Vaka picks it up. As Solomoni Vaka brings it back over the 10-metre line. Up towards the 22 goes Vaka. It's there as TVC look to try and recycle this. There's no advantage there. Player, that's T-Bone in the way there. Not rolling out of the play. His first action in the game, and he gets penalised. What do they do here? Do they look for touch again, or do they take another shot at goal? Going for touch here. Hideaway pushes it into the 22. About 15 out from the corner flag here. An attacking line out coming here for TVC. Full line out this time, is it? Not often you see a full from these guys. They go high to the front to Waititi. He pulls it down. They've gone to ground though. Might have been turned over. No, it's still referee playing advantage here for Hicks Bay. Little knock on in there, I think, is the call. They'll come back for a a Hicks Bay scrum feed. And just watching Tyrone Delamere to switch position he's going to. Looks like he's going to halfback. There's Mr. Delamere. About 12 minutes left, according to our watch, for Hicks Bay to try and get a place in the playoffs. TVC looking to cement a home semi for next week. It's coming back on the Hicks Bay side here as they go down through Fraser. Fraser down the sideline. Fraser still going. Might have come off a TVC player here. No. Fraser breaking out of his 22 there. Having a go. Nothing to lose. Only got 12 minutes to try and book a place in the semis. It'll be a TVC line out throw on Hicks Bay's 10-metre line. Shelford with the throw. Hicks Bay drop players to match the line out. Short line out called by TVC. Just watching here. Shelford with the throw. They go to the middle. It's not straight though. Play on. Referee says they'll come back for advantage though. No advantage there. Not straight in the line out. That will be a Hicks Bay scrum feed. $14-5. Scrum down. Hicks Bay scrum feed here. 15 in from this near side of touch. Tyrone Delamere. Out there at halfback. He'll be happy he doesn't have to play hooker. Half time in the Uawa Tuka game, 7-5 to Uawa. Ball at the back here for Delamere. They come down the blind through Brooking. Defence was up quickly though. It's there for Delamere again. It's a penalty here to Hicks Bay. Ruck was formed, I think, and then hands in the ruck is the call. Delamere with the ball. Are they going to tap and go? They are. They give it out to Waitoa. Waitoa takes it into contact. Drags a couple of players with him. It's there for Delamere again. He gives it out to Fraser. Fraser puts it high. Bartlett underneath it. They come quickly. Oh, he does well to take that, the young fella. Players all over him. Still going is the young fella. Up towards the 10-metre line. Up towards the halfway. He offloads it. It's there for Keelan. Oh, they've gone off their feet at the breakdown. They give the ball to Hicks Bay here. Hicks Bay, what will they do here? Will they tap and go, or will they look for a line out in the corner? Fraser has the ball. It's just been shown the mark here. I think they've called a shot at goal here. Fraser. From about, what's that? 46, 47 metres. Attempt coming here from Fraser. 46, 47 out. No wind to talk of here. He steps back, he comes forward, he strikes, it's got the height. Can he pull it around? Does it have the distance? Just under the post there. Haidawa will look to put this into touch. It's not going to find touch, is it? Yes, it is. Good touch finder there from Haidawa. Takes play back up towards the halfway. Might have been over the halfway. Watch for the touchy here. Just shy of the halfway, I think. No, on the halfway, says the touch judge. Might have to get our cameraman just to zoom in a little bit, just to cut out a bit of that dark. Here he goes. Perfect, my bro. Short line out called by Wharekahika. Hicks Bay. It's King Tofa with the throw. They go, oh, it's taken down by number 7. That was Te Ruha. No jumpers there. Referee's got advantage early for Hicks Bay as Fraser throws the dummy. Fraser looks to offload it. Referee says no advantage. They'll go back for a penalty. Do they have another shot? Do they take another shot? Do they go for touch? Fraser will know from the last one that he had the accuracy, just not quite the distance. What's the call here? Watch for Te Rangi Fraser. Tyrone Delamere's got the ball. He can't kick penalties. They tap and go. He gives it up to Taiapa. Taiapa takes it into contact on the TVC 10-metre line. Waitoa trying to drag it forward. It's there for Delamere again. He gives it up now to Brooking. Brooking takes it into contact. Brooking dragging it forward. Delamere playing halfback again. They go down the blind to Waitoa again. It's still there for Hicks Bay. It's gotten messy though. They set it up again. Delamere at halfback. He's got Brooking at first receiver. No, he goes back door to Fraser. Fraser stepping through. They're up quickly on him though. Fraser gets away. He takes it to the... Is that the 10-metre? Penalty here against TVC though. They tap and go quickly through Brooking. Catches them offside into the 22 now. They go to ground here. Delamere quickly plucks that one out. It's gone backwards, says the referee. I think that was King Tofa who tidied it up. It's still there. Referee's got a high shot here. There's advantage coming. Penalty coming here. Fraser will get another shot to put his team in the lead. How many minutes to go? 4 and a bit. Referee will be sole judge of time here. Looked like a player taken off the ball with a bit of a shoulder charge, I think was the call. Fraser on the 22. He's going to line up a shot here to possibly put his team in front with minutes to go. He's just inside the 22. You can see the T going down. No, he's just being directed back by the referee. It's just outside the 22. Te Rangi Fraser lining up a conversion here to try and give his team a sniff of the top 4 next week. 15-14, TVC lead. Te Rangi Fraser with a penalty from about 22 metres, 22 and a half. He lines it up. He's getting the hurry up from the crowd here. He steps back, he comes forward, he strikes. It's gone over. Hicks Bay take the lead. 17-15 with minutes to play here. Hicks Bay, they're going to have to try and hang on to full time here to get themselves into the top 4. TVC, they're in the top 4. They want a home semi though. Down to the final minutes here at Whangaparaoa. TVC slow to come back here for the restart. You think they'd have a bit more urgency. Only minutes left on the clock here. You want to try and get down into the danger zone and get a penalty. Hicks Bay will be looking to clear it from their red zone. No ball. That's the issue here. Ngati Porou, referee will be sole judge of time because he's the only one who knows when he stopped his watch and when he's restarted it. We'll try and get an idea off the ref. How long to go? Yeah, we've got a ball now. Referee signals time back on. Haidawa sends it deep. Brooking underneath it. Brooking brings it out of the 22. They look to set it up here. It's penalty. Straight off the feet is the call against TVC. Hicks Bay look to slow this down, will they? Slow it down. Taiapa, are they going to kick it out? No, they're going to tap and go here. Minutes to go. Taiapa gives it up to Waitor. Waitor takes it into contact. Hicks Bay looking to try and work the time out on this one. They call for runners. Any penalty here will give TVC a shot at taking it. It goes forward though. They lose it forward. There'll be a scrum here. TVC get a sniff. How long to go? Your guess is as good as mine. Referee, sole judge of time. The crowd is on their feet here, except for those with sideline seating. Final minutes of play here. TVC with an attacking scrum feed. This is just eating up time here. Oh, your picture, your battery. Are you back on? What's the call here? Apologies for that little cutout. Little cutout on our camera. We're trying to get it back up. Here we are. There we are. We're back up there. Apologies. There's Hicks Bay. There's a penalty here to TVC. Oh, shot at goal coming, is it? No, they tap and go. They turn down, there's advantage here. Referee still playing advantage, I think. They drive it off the back of the ruck. Still playing advantage here for TVC. There could be a shot coming. What's the call? No, they go back for penalty. Oh, it's right out in front here. Shot a goal, they tap and go. Hikurangi Delamere. They were calling at him to take a shot. He didn't listen. He tapped it and went for the win here. They spin it out wide. Hicks Bay coming through on the ball here. Oh, not 10. Not back 10. They're offside. Now does CVC slow it down for a shot at goal here to try and win this on full time and take Hicks Bay out of the top 4. No, they're going to tap it. They want the win, does TVC, not with a penalty. Incorrect tap here. He didn't tap the ball. No tap here. They'll scrum. Hicks Bay ball. Oh, the twists and turns. TVC, they'll kick themselves for not taking a shot at goal there. Benny Hideaway could have thrown that over. It's not over yet, though. Hicks Bay, scrum to come. They won't want to give away a penalty here. We're in referee's hands. Hicks Bay needing to hang on here. They've got the put in. Down to the wire. Scrum down. Ball in. It's their penalty here for Hicks Bay. Is that time over? What does the referee say? Te Rangi Fraser.